Hello friends, welcome back to our Python series, that is Python for Network Engineer. We welcome you all to our YouTube channel Networkforyou. So if you remember, we discussed before some operator. Now we are going to discuss about Python logical operators. If you remember in our previous class what we discussed, comparison operator we discussed. But now we are going to discuss about Python logical operators. So if you see, Python supports some logical operator, that is and, or, and not. If you are from the background of digital STLD, we have some subject in STLD, digital circuits. If you are from electronics, you know that one. We are using AND gate, NOR gate, NON gate, NAND gate, OR gate, like that. But anyhow, even if you are fresher, if you don't know anything, no issue, we are going to discuss here. Now just remember, Python support logical operator and, or, and not. What is and? When we use the and operator, if we have, let me tell you, give me the example, or let's first of all let me define the definition, then we will go for the example. When we use the and operator, the operator return true if both the condition are true, otherwise it will be false. See, let me repeat again. And operator, we are discussing for and operator. The operator return true if both condition are true, otherwise it will be written false. So when I am using and, and, both should be true, then only true. Okay. And when I am using or, the operator return true if either condition is true. If neither condition is true, it return the false. Then if I have one true, one false, then answer is true. If I have one false, one true, then answer is true. If I have both false, then answer is false. This one in or operator. And then we will go for not operator. The operator reverse the result. It returns the false when the condition is true, and it returns the true when the condition is false. So what I want to say, if I have true, then answer will be false. If I have false, then answer will be true. This one for not operator. Okay. So what I am saying here, T stands for true, F stands for false in our case. So when I am giving as an input as a true, output will be false when I am using not operator. And when I am giving input as a false, output will be true when I am using not operator. Okay. So see here, we have some example. This is a and operator. I taken a variable x, variable y, and we have result here. Example, variable x is false, variable y is also false. Both are false. The answer will be false, because in and you need to have both are true. When you are using and operator, you should have both are true, then only answer true. Okay. So here both are false, so answer is false. One is false, one is true, so answer is false. Both are true, then answer is true. If one is true, other is false, then answer is false. Okay. Let's see with one example. If you see, I am saying 11 is greater than 5. I am using here operator, logical operator, that is and. I am using and here, logical operator. 6 is greater than 3. In this example, I am using AND operator. The answer will be true because both conditions are true. So the operator return the value true. Okay. Now let's verify in ipython. Let me open the ipython and show you this condition. This is a command prompt. As we know already, I installed the ipython. So I have in the command prompt. So let me click ipython. Okay. Now I will give the condition. Let me give 11 is greater than 5. Okay, and I give space, I will write and. Okay, then after that I will write the second condition, 6 is greater than 3. Okay, 6 is greater than 3. Let me remove the point this. Okay, so the answer is true. Why it is true? Because both are true, then answer will be true in the AND operator. Now we will go for the second OR operator. Just now, as we discussed in OR operator, if one is true, the answer will be true. So this is x, variable y. This one is false, so answer will be false, because in OR condition we should have at least one true, then only answer true. But here both are false, so answer will be false. Here this is false, this is true, so answer will be true. Why answer will be true? In OR condition, in OR operator, if any one is true, then answer will be true, like this. If you have both false, the answer will be false. So same thing here, this is true, this is false, so answer will be true. This is true, this is false, so answer will be true. What we are saying, in OR operator we should have at least one true, then only answer will be true. Okay, so this is finished. This is example 5 is double equal to 5. If you want to compare, then we need to write 2 times double is equal to. If you write 1 time double is equal to, if you write only 1 time is equal to, then it will assign the value to the operator. Like example, if I write a is equal to 5, 5 will store in the a. But if you write 5 is equal to 5, means they are comparing this one. Okay. So what I am doing here, I am comparing 5 is equal to 5. I am using OR. 6 is equal to 6. Both are true. This is true, this is true. So answer will be true. Even if I use like 5 is equal to 5 or 6 is equal to 3. Answer will be true because this is true, this is false. So answer will be true. When I change here 5 is equal to 3 or 6 is equal to 3, then answer will be false because this is false, this is false. So let's see this one. Let's go and see this in the ipython. So let me go to the ipython. Here this is ipython. What I will do here, I will write 5 is equal to 5 and I will write or is a logical operator. Then I will write 6 is equal to 6. So both are true, answer will be true. Now I will change. I am writing here 5 is equal to 5, 6 is equal to 3. So answer will be true because one is true, one is false. So both are in our condition. If any one is true, the answer will be true. So this is true. Now I am going to change here also. I am writing here also example 4. So now answer will be false because both are false. Okay, no doubts, right? In the false or operator, or if you have any question, you can write in the comment, no problem. So now let's go for the not operator. We have not operator, that is not operator reverse the result. Reverse means it will change the result. Example, if you give the input as a true, the output will be false. If you give input as a false, output will be true. So see here, not operator. The not operator reverse the result. It return false when you give input, when the result is true. See here, in simple words, we have two variable. Okay, I have only one variable in this case, so I am taking x. I give input as a false, but I am getting output as a true. When I am giving input as a true, I am getting the output as a false. Just remember opposite. Whatever you are giving, it will come opposite of that one. That is nothing but not operator, the function of not operator. Let's see example. How we need to do? We need to write not of whatever condition you need to define. Example 5 is equal to, that is 5 is equal to 5. So this condition is true, right? This condition is true. So your answer will is true. But you are making opposite of that one. So you write not of true, that is answer will be false. Okay. Let's try here. Let's try and check here. Let me go to here. I will write here not of 5 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. Then I will close the bracket. Okay. Then answer will be false. Okay. Why it is false? Because we are getting this is true and I am reversing that one by using not. Let me try other. Instead of 5, I will change here. Let me remove this 5 and keep here as a 6 because 5 is not equal to 6. Okay. So we will have the output will be false. When we use not, the output should change from false to true. Let's see here. Okay. Let me do here. Let me do. If you see here, I have the answer. What answer I have? Not of 5 is equal to 5 means 5 is equal. Here is the true. So answer is false. Here is the false, but answer is true. Okay. So here I wrote incorrect. Let me correct here. This is false. Okay. What you understand here? not operator is used to reverse the output. Whatever output you have or whatever input you have, just in simple words you can say not operator is used to reverse the input. Whatever input you are giving, it will reverse. This is the condition is true, but output you will get as a false. As we see here, let me show you again here. See, 5 double equal to 5 means we are comparing. These are okay. Yes, this is okay. So it is a true. I wrote here true. But when I use not of like this, not of 5 equal 5, this one. So this is true, but not of is going to change this true to false. So our answer is false, this one. And this one is false, but not operator, this is going to change this false to true. Okay. That's all. This is the logical operator we are going to use in Python. We have and, or, not. Okay. Thank you very much for seeing our video. Subscribe to our channel. Share with your friend who is interested in CCNA, CCNP Python. I am going to share this note. No problem. But let me complete all the operator. Then I am going to share these notes. Okay. Because if you remember, we have still this identity operator, membership operator, bitwise operator. After finishing this all, I am going to share these notes. Okay. Thank you. Bye.